Can you hear me now? Yeah? Okay, it was just the background music was too loud. Tried to say, hey Joe, can you hear me? That's it. All right! We are Volcano Cats and we're back. Getting more rock and roll. Do it. You ready, Joe?
Joe's ready.
I'm gonna fight enough. A seven-nation army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna rip it off, taking their time right behind my back. And I'm talking to myself at night because I can't forget. Back and forth through my mind behind a cigarette. And the message coming from my eyes says, leave me alone. Don't wanna hear about it. Every single one's got a story to tell. Everyone knows about it. From the Queen of England to the Hounds of Hell. And if I catch you coming back my way, I'm gonna serve it to you. And that ain't what you want to hear, but that's what I'll do. And the feeling coming from my bones and find a home. I'm gonna Wichita, fly from this opera forevermore. I'm gonna work the strong, make the sweat drip out of every pore. And I'm bleeding and I'm bleeding and I'm bleeding right before the Lord. All the words are gonna bleed for me and I will think no more. The stain coming from my blood, tell me go back home.
Right. Volcano Cats. Oh, where's my lovely wife? My wife, where is she? Okay. Well, anyways, people were asking for stickers, and I said I didn't have any, but it turns out that's a lie. I got a little stash right here in my pocket. There you go. Yeah. All right, let's do some strokes.
Thank you. Ready, Joe? Yeah.
What else we got in here? Joe, let's do some more killers. We got Joe Young, by the way, on the drums, 6 years old. He's been playing on since he was 5, almost 5. And he named his band Volcano Cats because Smashing Pumpkins was already taken. So, all right, you ready to rock and roll, Joe? Here we go. We'll be in on 1.
Breaking my back just to know your name. 17 tracks and I've had it with this game. I'm breaking my back just to know your name. But when it ain't close in a place like this, anything goes, but don't make you nervous. 'Cause having it close in a place like this, I say we're having it close in a place like this. Bring it back down tonight. Woo-hoo. Never thought I'd ever remember my blue life. Somebody told me you had a boyfriend that looked like a girlfriend. It all happened bad, you acting a blanket. It's not confidential, I got potential. Let's roll with something new, taking its toll and I'm leaving without you. 'Cause having it close in a place like this, I said I'm having it close in a place like this. Bring it back down tonight. Woo-hoo. Never thought I'd ever remember my blue life. Well, somebody told me you had a boyfriend who looked like a girlfriend. It all happened February of last year. It's not confidential, I got potential. Rushing around. Place yourself on me. I said maybe, baby, please. But I just don't know now. When all I wanna do is try. Somebody told me you had a boyfriend who looked like a girlfriend. It all happened February of last year. It's not confidential, I got potential. Rushing around. Now somebody told me you had a boyfriend who looked like a girlfriend. It all happened February of last year. It's not confidential, I got potential. Rushing around. Somebody told me you had a boyfriend who looked like a girlfriend. It all happened February of last year. It's not confidential, I got potential. Rushing around.
Joe, nice.
Rocking out.
All right, here we go. Let's do some more Green Day. What do you think?
Over there, Ray. All right.
Don't dance too much, Ray.
Oh, yeah. Do a bit of exercise.
Oh, yeah.
I heard you cry all the way across town. She's been searching for that someone, and it's me on the crowd. That's you, sit around feeling sorry for yourself.
Yeah.
I wished I was in the mouse looking into the mirror. See a little bit clearer, the rottenness and evil in me. Fingertips of memories, I can't forget the curves of your body. And when I feel a bit naughty, I run it up the flagpole and see who's gonna lose, but no one ever does. I'm not sick, but I'm not well, and I'm so high, 'cause I'm in hell. Been around the world and found that only stupid people are breeding. The queen's cloning and feeding, and I don't even own a TV. Put me in the hospital for nerves and then they had to commit me. They told me all I was crazy. They cut off my leg, now I'm an amputee. God damn you. I'm not sick, but I'm not well, and I'm so high, 'cause I'm in hell. I'm not sick, but I'm not well, and it's a sin to live this way. I want a public scenes and rage against machines. I want to pierce my tongue, it doesn't hurt, it feels fine. The truth is sublime. I'd like to turn on time and kill my mind. You kill my mind.
Back a couple decades here. Joey, you want to do some Blondie?
Yeah.
Yeah? How you doing back there, by the way, buddy? Staying warm? Yeah? Good. Okay.
I think he's probably
It's casual.
overeating.
It's a normal day for him. Alright, here we go. Let's do it. Wait, sorry, just kidding, guys. Here we go. You ready? On the clock.
give you the slip, a slip of the hand of another. I'm gonna lose ya, I'm gonna get ya, I'll trick ya. One way or another, I'm gonna lose ya, I'm gonna trick ya, trick ya, trick ya, trick ya. One way or another, I'm gonna lose ya, I'm gonna give you the slip. I'll walk down the mall, stand over by the wall where I can see it all, find out who can lead you to the supermarket, check out some specials on the food, hotel thoughts, take a cut. One way or another, I'm gonna find ya, I'll get ya, I'll get you, get you, get you, get you. One way or another, I'm gonna get ya, I'll get ya, I'll get you, get you, get you, get you. One way or another, I'm gonna get ya, I'll get ya, I'll get you, get you, get you, get you. One way or another, I'm gonna get ya, I'll get ya, I'll get you, get you, get you, get you. One way or another, I'm gonna get ya, I'll get ya, I'll get you, get you, get you, get you. One way or another, I'm gonna get ya, I'll get ya, I'll get you, get you, get you, get you.
Alright. No, we still got a few more, Joe. We still got a few more. We're gonna do some offspring. How many more? How many more until I get French fries? What's embedded in that question? Looks like we have like 6. Something like that.
He's running out of steam.
You can do it. You can do it.
You know, right? You can do it.
Yeah.
This guy's done like 3 hours before. We're not doing that today, but he can do it. He's got it in. But that's he's done that in like 85-degree heat. This is quite a different experience. Still requires endurance. Joe, let's do some offspring. We also just saw these guys recently. It's great. You ready? You look like you're ready. Okay.
Making faces at mom.
You gotta keep them separated. The left the latest fashion, the left is spreading disease. Kids distracted on their way to the classroom, grab the ribbon with the greatest of ease. The gangs are found on the campus go pal, and if they catch you laughing, well it's all over pal. If one guy's rumble and the others don't mix, they're gonna patch it up, patch it up, patch it up, patch it up. Hey! Then you're talking back to me, take them out, gotta keep them separated. Hey! Now you're disrespecting me, take them out, gotta keep them separated. Hey! Don't pay no mind if you run the routine, you won't be doing any time. Hey! Come on, hey! By the time you hear the sirens, it's already separated. Hey, man, you're talking back to me. Take them out, you gotta keep them separated. Hey, don't pay no mind. If you're under 18, you want to do it anytime you like. Hey, come on, hey.
How you do it? Here we go.
I saw him dancing there by the record machine. I knew he must have been about 17. So he was going strong, playing my favorite song. And I could tell it wouldn't be long till he was with me. Yeah, me. I could tell it wouldn't be long till he was with me. Yeah, me. Singing I love rock and roll. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come and take your time and dance with me. Wow! Tell me why you're up and ask for his name. That don't matter, he said, 'cause it's all the same. I said, can I take you home where we can be alone? Next we're moving on and he was with me, yeah, me. And next we're moving on and he was with me, yeah, me. Singing I love rock and roll. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come and take your time and dance with me. Wow! I said, can I take you home where we can be alone? Next we're moving on and it was with me, yeah, me. Moving all night, singing that same old song, yeah, with me. Singing I love rock and roll. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come on, take your time and dance with me. I love rock and roll. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come on, take your time and dance with me. Love rock and roll. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come on, take your time and dance with me. I love rock and roll. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come on, take your time and dance with me. I love rock and roll. So put another time in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come on, take your time and dance with me.
All right. Approaching the home stretch. You got a few more in you, Joe?
Yeah, Joe.
Let's do some, see a little more. These are
I was gonna say, you got a lunchbox there.
Oh yeah. Alright. Somebody's hiding, is crowding my icebox. Somebody's cold one is giving me chills. Guess I'll just close my eyes. Oh yeah, alright. Feels good inside. Flip on the tally, wrestle with Jim. Something is bubbling behind my back. The bottle is ready to blow. Staying slow. Your drug is a heartbreaker. Staying slow. My love is a life taker. Can't without you, I never could do. That which might hurt you, just try and be cool. When I say this way is a one side away from me that takes me further every day. Ooh, so be cool. Staying slow. Your drug is a heartbreaker. Staying slow. My love is a life taker. Dear Daddy, I like you in spite of years of silence. You lead up, found Jesus. Things are good, also I live. This bottle of Stevens awakens ancient feelings. Like father, stepfather, the sun is drowning in the flood. Yeah, 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 yeah. Staying slow. Your drug is a heartbreaker. Staying slow. My love is a life taker.
All right, Mr. Joe.
Only a couple more.
Drink water. Drink water. Drink water.
Another Joe favorite. This is how we trick him as we put all the songs through his favorites at the bottom of the set. All right. You good, Joe? You need to grab a drink of water first, or you cool? Yeah? All right, I guess we're doing it.
What I got, you got to give it to your mama. What I got, you got to give it to your papa. What I got, you got to give it to your doctor. You do a little less and then you drink a little water. What I got, you got to get a just a little know-how. Go down with the pickles and the who's out. The press but couldn't go out. Never been a man as hot. Then right now, Bob Marley, poet and a prophet. Bob Marley taught me how to own it. Bob Marley, walking like he talking. Goodness me, can't you see I'm gonna coffin? Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Oh yeah! Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. I can't tell it, but I think it all lucky me, swimming is my ability. Dancing down on life with agility. Come and pick it up from my fertility. Blessed with a bucket of the lucky mobility. My mom, not another bitch, you love me. Long gone are the days when she's drumming me. Feeling good, my brother gonna hug me. Drinking my juice, young love, trouble loving me. We a thing, who didn't do it, differ. You give me one more that you shiver. His heart is never gonna wither. Come on, everybody, time to deliver. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. I can't tell it, but I keep it on a bumper. What I got, you got to give it to your mama. What I got, you got to give it to your mama. What I got, you got to give it to your doctor. You do a little nights and then you drink a little water. What I got, you gotta get it, put it in you. What I got, you gotta get it, put it in you. What I got, you gotta get it, put it in you. Really with the feeling, don't stop, continue. I realize I don't wanna be a miser. Put my whistle, I will be the wiser. Young blood is a loving operizer. How to make it fire when I give it like a tiger? Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. 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 Give it away now.
Okay. That took some convincing. I didn't want to do Red Hot Chili Peppers, but man, I think so. You want to do it? Okay, a minute ago he was like, let's cut stuff. Now he's like, no, let's play them all. Cool. I'm going to do a quick guitar switcheroo and we'll close this out. All right. We're back. We didn't go anywhere. Just kidding. Okay, here we go. If you like bagpipes, you're in for a treat.
Right. wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way. It's a long way. It's a long way. It's such a long way.
All right, we just got a couple more for you. And we're gonna start packing our stuff up. Too cold, but we got two more. Joe, let's do some Queens of the Stone Age. This guy loves him some Dave Grohl. You ready, man? Hold on, 'cause your drumstick is hooked into your cable there. That time to pull that out. All right, you ready? Let's do it. No, you're good. You're good, dude. You're good now. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We get some rules to follow. That endless, the ones above me. What they did here below, but no one knows if that you did to me. No one knows.
All right. I'm gonna hear about that guitar solo with the next rehearsal. He is unforgiving. All right, we're gonna do one more. Joe Young on the drums. How you doing, man? Can you say hi to everybody real quick? There we go. All right, we're going to do one last AC/DC number and then hit the road. Thank you so much. You guys have been a great audience. My name is Michael. You got Carnival on vocals. There we go. Mr. Joe Young on the drums. We are Volcano Cats. You can find us at Volcano Cats Rock on most of the platforms and at Volcano Cats Forever on the ones where we couldn't get Volcano Cats Rock. We got some stickers somewhere. There, right there. This young lady right here has the stickers. Grab some. We got t-shirts for sale there, $10. We only have them in small kid sizes, unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on whether or not you have a small child. Anyways, let's rock! awesome holiday and a happy new year. Rock on.
I'm ready. This is my moment.
John, help me if I need like a, video